Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my seafood spinach stew, okay? It's going to be delicious and crazy. So how's your Friday afternoon going so far? Great? Okay, perfect. And what I'm going to show you guys, here I have my bread, okay? This is a good bread, guys, very flat and everything and delicious. And this is the one I'm going to use if you guys want to give it a try, okay? And then what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to put it in the toaster to warming up, okay? And here I have all my seafood. I have my lobster and shrimp already marinated, and here I have my mussels, okay? I'm going to use, and over here I have my mushrooms, okay? And I have my all vegetables. Like I said before, guys, it's going to be crazy food, okay? And here I have my spinach, all right? And all my ingredients, garlic, teaspoon salt, and turmeric, and tomatoes, and red chili powder, okay? So now let's start cooking, guys. Okay, I have my pot already warm up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my garlic. Oh, I forgot my olive, guys. I'm going to add some olive oil. Okay. This is for my mussels. And what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to cook my shrimp first and my lobster. This is for my mussels. Let's put some there. Okay. Okay. Now I'm adding my mussels. The reason I'm doing that, guys, I'm cooking them separate because I don't want my mussels to overcook. So that's why I'm doing it like that. I'm adding some parsley flakes and ginger powder. Very good for you guys. And some pepper flakes. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Let me grab my garlic salt. Okay, now I'm using some onion powder. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, guys, let me start with my seafood. Okay, I'm cooking everything separately, and then the spinach gonna be by itself. Okay. Okay. I don't want to put the water in my shrimps. Okay, what I'm going to do next, let me give it a stir. It smells so good already, guys, in the kitchen. That's why I love garlic. And what I did with my lobster and shrimp, guys, I just cut them in pieces, little pieces, okay, for my spinach. Okay, now let me stir that. Okay, for this, I'm going to add some garlic salt in my seafood. And for that also. Okay, some parsley in this one. And some Italian seasoning, guys. Okay. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let my seafood cook. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll finish everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to add my other stuff. Okay, now I'm going to add some garlic chili sauce. Okay, you guys see it? Okay, and my basil. Okay, a little bit of red chili powder for my shrimp, seafood. Okay, and also salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, mix everything together. When it comes to seafood, guys, you have to use some spicy, like a lot of spicy stuff. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just let them cook for 5 more minutes. Okay, when we come back, we'll add our spinach. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to get my seafood out. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, I'm going to get the lobsters and the shrimp out. Okay, okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, we'll add our spinach. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to cook all our vegetables. What I'm going to do, my green peppers and onions and the other stuff, guys, I'm not going to cook them now. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it all the way at the end. Okay, what I'm going to do now, my mushrooms gonna go in. Okay, you see what I'm doing, guys? I have to use the same sauce, so because I don't want to add any water and my spinach. Okay, I just add my tomatoes. Now I'm adding some thyme. Okay, the red chili powder, the rest of it, and turmeric. Okay, and I'm adding some butter. Okay, black pepper. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, guys, my mussels are cooking up. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm adding my spinach. Everything can cook. Okay guys, I know it's gonna look a lot, but don't worry guys, when we check on it, it's gonna be so small. Okay, alright, I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit, guys, and then when we come back, we'll check on it. Okay, I have to let it go down a little bit before I mix up everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to check on our spinach. Okay, let me show you guys what I have been doing. Here, as you can see, I have my butter melted, okay, with garlic and some parsley. Okay, and over here, you see guys, before the spinach was all over the place, right? And now look at it. Okay, so I'm going to just let it cook, do its thing, and then when we come back, this garlic butter, guys, it's for my bread. Okay, that's why I'm cooking it. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to finish up. Okay, let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, I have the seafood and my spinach. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all my vegetables. Okay, and my mussels. Okay, mix it up. Okay, and by the way, guys, let me show you guys my bread. Okay, you see, this is the bread. I finish it up, and I have butter, melted butter, and parsley and garlic. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna finish that up. When we come back, we'll finish the plates. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. Now let me show you guys what I have for you guys. Okay, it's so delicious, guys. There it is. Okay, I fixed up my plate. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add those little tiny parsley next to my plate. Okay, there you have it. Okay, you see that? Very beautiful, guys. Okay, guys, give it a try. It's very, very easy and delicious. Okay, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, have a wonderful day. Give it a try and enjoy. Bye.